Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to meal prep vegan. This practice truly saves you valuable time throughout your busy week, offering much-needed convenience. You will enjoy nutritious plant-based meals without the daily cooking stress. It also significantly helps manage your food budget, reducing reliance on expensive takeout options. With just a little planning, you will eat healthier, feel more energized, and simplify your entire week, making healthy eating effortless. A successful vegan meal prep builds around 3 core components for balance. Start with a solid protein source like cooked lentils, chickpeas, or firm tofu, ensuring lasting fullness. Then, include complex carbohydrates such as brown rice, quinoa, or roasted sweet potatoes for sustained energy. Don't forget healthy fats from avocado, nuts, or seeds, which support nutrient absorption and provide flavor. Finally, load up on a colorful variety of non-starchy vegetables for essential vitamins and fiber. To maximize your prep time, focus on efficient batch cooking strategies. Roast multiple trays of vegetables and proteins simultaneously using different oven racks. Consider making large batches of grains in an instant pot or rice cooker to save stove space. Utilize a single large pan for stir-fries or sheet pan meals, minimizing cleanup. Prepare versatile ingredients like chopped onions and garlic, which serve as bases for several different dishes throughout the week. Proper storage is essential to keep your prepped meals fresh and safe for several days. Invest in airtight glass containers, which are excellent for preserving flavor and are easy to clean. Always allow hot food to cool completely before transferring it to containers and refrigerating. This prevents bacterial growth. Most vegan meal components remain fresh for about 3 to 4 days when stored correctly in the refrigerator. Labeling your containers with the prep date helps you track freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.